Stretching across the heart of the United States lies a region so productive, it has earned a global reputation, the Corn Belt. Every year, this vast agricultural system produces hundreds of millions of tons of corn, enough not only to feed people, but also livestock, fuel industries, and even power vehicles. Corn is no longer just a crop. It is a strategic resource, a foundation of modern agriculture, and a key driver of the global food and energy economy. So how does a single corn seed evolve into one of the most important commodities in the world? Let's break down the entire system behind it. Corn production begins with precise soil management. Farmers test soil pH typically maintained between 6.0 to 7.5. Remove weeds using mechanical or chemical methods. Plow and loosen the soil to improve root penetration. Before planting, nutrients are added to prepare the field for high-density cultivation. Corn planting in the U.S. is highly automated. Modern seeders place seeds 3 to 5 centimeters deep. Maintain spacing of 20 to 30 centimeters between plants. Align rows with precision using GPS. Each hectare receives up to 70,000 to 85,000 seeds, ensuring optimal plant density for maximum yield. Machines operate at high speeds across large fields, reducing labor while increasing accuracy. Water supply is managed strategically. Corn requires about 500 to 800 millimeters of water per season. Consistent moisture during flowering and ear formation. The most common system is center pivot irrigation, where large rotating arms cover hundreds of hectares, deliver water evenly, reduce waste through automation. This ensures stable growth even in regions with irregular rainfall. Fertilization is precisely controlled to maximize yield. Farmers apply nitrogen N for growth, phosphorus P for root development, potassium K for plant strengths. Modern applicators use sensors and GPS. Deliver nutrients exactly where needed. This increases productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Harvesting corn is one of the most mechanized processes in agriculture. Signs of readiness. Leaves turn yellow, husks dry and brown. Kernel moisture drops to 15 to 20%. Mechanical harvesting systems combine harvesters, cut, thresh, and separate kernels in one process. Handle 80 to 150 tons per day. Operate continuously across large fields. Ear harvesters collect whole corn cobs, suitable for storage or later processing. These machines cover up to 50 to 100 acres per day, reduce labor dramatically. Preserve grain quality. Manual harvesting limited use, still used in small farms, difficult terrain. Though slower, it ensures minimal damage and high-quality selection. After harvest, corn enters a large-scale processing system. Initial processing, inspection and grading, removal of husks and impurities. Washing and cleaning, shelling. Kernels are separated from cobs. High-speed systems process thousands of units per hour. Logistics advantage. Factories are often located near farms, allowing processing within hours after harvest. Preservation of freshness and quality. This tight supply chain is critical for industrial-scale production. Corn is transformed into a wide range of products. Food products, fresh corn, canned corn. Corn-based ingredients, industrial uses, animal feed, biofuel, ethanol, raw material for processed foods, byproducts, husks and cobs, organic fertilizer, residues, reused in agriculture. Nothing is wasted. Corn operates within a near closed-loop system. The corn industry represents a fully integrated agricultural ecosystem. Farmers manage large-scale operations, use advanced machinery and data systems. Workers operate equipment, oversee processing and logistics. This system supports millions of jobs, drives billions in revenue, powers both food and energy sectors. At the same time, modern practices aim to balance productivity with environmental protection. From precisely planted seeds to massive harvesting machines and industrial processing lines, corn represents one of the most advanced agricultural systems in the world. It is no longer just a crop, but a global commodity, a source of energy, a foundation of modern supply chains. And in that transformation, corn proves that agriculture today is not just about growing food, but about building entire ecosystems that sustain the world.